Hey, Dandelions. All right, so I came back to the spot. Is an update on the Flint Street building, and I know there's not going to be any construction workers here today, so we are going to check out and see what they were doing. I gotta put my gloves on. It's cold out here. Let's go over here. Ooh, I got 19 minutes this time. All right. This is Flint Street. Let's dig in. I heard a lady laughing. Oh shit, there is people coming. So we gotta do this now. Got my cleats. Oop. Got my cleats, so because I when I fall in the ice, I fall hard. So I have to wear them when it's icy and stuff. So if you guys remember last time, when I went into the building, they did they was a little smarter about it this time, and they put a pile of they still got in. That's crazy. So they put the plywood back on, but they put a bunch of gravel, like cement gravel and all kinds of stuff right here. So you still get in now. Man, somebody. Yeah. But we're not going to do that. Yeah, there's the board right there. I'm going to do something a little different this time. I'm going to put on a mask and get really creepy. Gotta figure out where I'm going to put my damn phone while I put the damn mask on. And we're going to check this out. I don't even know if my phone is waterproof or not, to be honest. I'd imagine it's not. Ugh. It's about I'd say probably about 30 degrees right now. It's actually colder today than it was yesterday. Oh yeah. We're gonna get creepy. Oh, let's go on that side. Let's do this. This mask is actually way uncomfortable. Got a little bit of foam on the inside, but My nose is pressing right up against the plastic, and it's really not that enjoyable. We're going in, guys. So, I guess to give a rundown from the last video is I went. I actually saw a homeless person there in there one time back when I was shooting my crossbows out here. And it freaked me out because I wasn't expecting a person to be in there. Sure as hell wasn't pareidolia, that's for sure. Let's see if they actually cut some trees down or anything. Oh, fuck this mask. I gotta modify this thing so it doesn't keep moving down. Oh, I got so much time, so I gotta do this fast. Once again, guys, I'm not doing Retinotica. Probably should, but the likelihood of it actually having something to come down here with, it's like slim to none. And this is a public area, so that's why I was so weirded out last time. Ah, here we go. All right, so that's the tree that I used to set up my silhouettes at to shoot my crossbow. Looks like it fell over, but why were they down here with chainsaws though? I've yet to see a tree that was cut down. They're down here with chainsaws, and actually I have a construction vest I probably should have wore, but not a big deal. So I've actually made fire. Ooh, that's a big pot. Wow. Holy moly. That thing is ginormous. Shit, I'll take that home. I'll cook a turkey in that bad boy. Okay, so it was right up here last time I came when I had that eerie feeling and all that stuff. And I didn't even make it this far. I was probably like about where that sewage concrete tube was. And the construction workers were right up there, and they started coming down. I say construction workers, but for as eerie as that was, might have had something else going on. So I don't see any sign of trees being cut down or anything. And I say that because I heard the chainsaws. The bike trail, just on the top there, that's the bike trail. So as I was passing by, that's where I noticed the guys. And I don't see any trees cut down. So I might have to wait, because honestly, how are you gonna have a chainsaw running and all that stuff and no trees cut down? Unless it was a distraction. With the bright vests and all that stuff. They had something else going on, and it was all that stuff was more of like a cover because they know that people could see them. So what I got to do, I think at this point, I'm gonna take that pot. I don't care what you guys think. I'll just soak it in bleach and wash the crap out of it, and because I have a lot of plans for spring and summer, and you never know, we might actually need it for whatever, cooking birds or something. I think there's something more to it. I really do. And today's the day to come out and check it out, because they're not going to be working in this bull nonsense. So we'll wait till the snow melts and see if there's any turned over dirt that a machine is not responsible. I mean, tires and things like that are not responsible for. I saw that it looked like they might have had a bobcat out here to move some dirt, but why? Out in the middle of nowhere. I think we might be on to something, dandelions. This is gonna be fun. So, let's get this pot out of here. Oh, it's frozen solid. Yeah, I'm not carrying that. I'm gonna have to wait until that thaws out, because nobody's gonna pick that up. So, come back later. I mean, it's by my house. Not a big deal. 8-minute walk. So let's go. This is pretty much at the end of the adventure, but we're gonna continue on and hit the bike trail from the backside that I usually do. Okay, so over here, there used to be a tent, and apparently somebody lit it on fire. I'm not gonna say any names or nothing, but it was nasty. I only did that because I was digging through it like the junker that I am, and I happened to notice some pill bottles, the little orange things with the white cap, and it was to treat HIV. And I immediately stopped, and I was like, whoa, and I lit it on fire. That way, take care of that situation. So let's see if we, I don't even know if deer are even out here anymore. Let's check it out. I only got so many minutes, so this is going to be probably about close to a 20-minute video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you could, if you're watching this, like and subscribe. I would like, there's a lot of adventure videos and things like that. People who do this kind of stuff, but they do like more professionals. I mean, not professional, but more like outside kind of stuff. But I don't have the funds to be able to go to the Adirondacks and things like that. That's why the channel is named Rochester Adventures, because I don't really have the funds to get outside of the city. But there's a lot to explore here, and I know eventually I'm gonna run out of places to post. Still gotta do the abandoned subway, which that one's gonna be fun. I think you guys will really like that one. Just gotta do it. Or actually, I gotta get a flashlight too, because apparently I lost my other flashlight. It was like a tactical flashlight. It is very dependable. So you gotta squeeze through some trees a little bit. And so these cleats, I got a freaking snowball on my boot here. Feels like I'm walking in high heels. Hoopa. It felt like I was walking in one high heel there. So, we're going to continue on our journey. Let's go. So it's supposed to be high wind today. Actually last night, it hit about, I think, 29 miles an hour at 19 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius. And had to fix some things in our backyard because we have tarps and things like that. It knocked bricks off, you know, our weights. So I got that fixed this morning. Alright. And it's a little bit windy today. It's like, I'd say, right now, because we're covered by trees, it doesn't seem that windy, but right now it's hitting about 19 miles an hour, which is pretty strong. If I go to ride my bicycle, anything over 9 miles per hour, I'm just gonna fight it. So usually I just take the bus or just walk. And it's really not that bad of a walk. It really isn't. I mean, the most I have to walk is, see, this damn thing. It's like a... See, that's the problem with cleats. They stick to everything. Everything sticks to them. But it's better than busting your ass. You know? I'm at the age now, I'm only 36. I'm still a young buck. But I tend to hit the ground pretty hard and I just lay there for a minute. And I'm kind of tired of doing that. So, alright. So, we're hitting the bike trail right here. It comes in that way and it goes that way. And then that's my house. So, and I'm running out of time anyway, or data. So I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that. I hate saying that because I'm tired of fucking hearing that shit. I don't even know if I'm supposed to say that. But like and subscribe, support my channel. I mean, once I start getting money rolling in and stuff, I'll start making merchandise. I could probably post a few things or whatever as far as merchandise goes, but those are personal things, like because I'm a collector and all that. And also check out the channel Now It's Dark. Those are the guys that interviewed me as a collector and things like that. I need to get permission to see if I could post that on my channel because it's their video.